talking about. She is spoiled rotten now. Were you the cop or the robber?
Cop.
Why did you crack the plastic?
Well, guys, as you can tell, we got a lot of tumbleweeds out there. But the cows and calves have been over here on this side for a while. And what we're about to do is move them out of this pasture and lock them out and move them over here to our west side to where they have fresh grass. And then this side is going to lay out. We are currently talking to a representative there at Helena Chemical, and we're probably going to try to spray these tumbleweeds in the next day or two, hopefully. But we are running up here to the front to come around on these calves and try to get them all to follow us back to the back where we'll be able to move them. Where did that watermelon come from?
I don't know. I just know I got company. Probably not. They've probably been out here playing with it, rolling it around. Because it didn't grow right
there. Well, we are trying to get them lined out, guys. I was going to try to grab their cattle troughs, but I do have feed in back of the Polaris. And what I may have to do is let Keely drive around, but if I get them all rounded up here, we may just have to walk them down with the four-wheeler, side by side, I guess.
Look at baby.
Baby, back up. I'm talking about. She is spoiled rotten now. Baby, back up. I know it. I know it. Back up, back up. They didn't all get through the gate. Goodness gracious. They're all through.
Look at them holding on.
Yeah.
Come on.
Well, guys, as you can tell, we are moving them back down this back fence line here, and we're moving them into a greener pasture is what we're trying to do, and get them to some fresh grass. It's the middle of October, and we've not had any rain, so the only really thing about this pasture is they've just been off of it for several weeks. So it's had a chance to grow a little bit.
Like we've had one rain.
I think we had an inch so far, and that's it. But we really need a little bit more water than we got. Can we count them, Keely?
1, 2.
4, 5, 6, 7. Big Mama and her little baby made it down here though. Boy, jet black.
Another little boy.
Yep, it was a little boy.
It's leaking.
How?
There's a crack on the bottom. I finally found it.
Is it?
Yeah. Right there. there. You can see it coming out. It cracked the plastic.
Yeah, there we go.
We'll go down and get my
Well, we can either move mine. I mean, you can always keep water on your side. And this one right here.
What time is it?
6:50.
I'm just gonna get us another. We'll get it dried out. We'll patch it and we'll have it for somewhere. Cause I bet we can like shoe glue it or something. We're gonna have to get it like sand it off really good, clean, and then we'll patch it. So guys, we as you can tell back here in the background, we've got the cows moved back to what we call our west side here. We had pulled this cattle trough out. They hadn't been down here, and hey, it was wet down here. We just thought that the drain cap was loose. Well, as it turns out, the cattle trough is cracked. So, but what we were trying to do is make sure that with them coming down here, they had as fresh water as possible. I know they drink out of the ponds and everything, but we were just cleaning it up, and it's, as you can tell, look down here, Kilo on the bottom. But anyway, we're going to go get the cattle troughs now and get them down here. I'm not going to pour their feed on the ground. I'm going to go get their cattle troughs and then pour their feed in that cattle trough.
Alright, you pull the yard out.
We're in the middle.
Hey, figure out something. Hey, old boy told me that if you lick your fingers before you pick them stickers up, that it won't stick in you.
What? Well?
If you lick your fingers, hey, then pull those stickers, they don't stick in your fingers. That way.
I'll have to give it a shot, won't we?
Alright, we're fixing to run down here and get them cattle troughs, and then I'm going to pour their feed in the cattle troughs.
We're gonna go check the mineral.
Let's see if we can pick it up. I don't know if we can or not.
It's about half full.
It's possible.
Alright, cameraman.
You hold the camera and video us. Okay?
I never heard this before.
One, two, three.
Okay, you did it. Hi.
Oh.
You want to tell them what happened?
Yeah.
What happened?
I drive further, and then I drive and we playing caught robbers, and then we like didn't burn each other yet. We just playing caught robbers, and then a wasp came and like sting me so bad.
Oh, did it hurt?
Bad?
How bad?
Were you the cop or the robber?
Cop.
You was the cop, huh?
I guess so.
You think so?
And my
You're tough though, right?
and my engine broke. Not my engine, like my thing.
Your chain?
Yeah, chain.
Chain?
Chain. Yep, it did.
Yes, sir.
Then,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Yep.
It's got like a syrup or molasses.
It's a perfect spray.
Y'all are riding a cattle trough?
Right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, hold up.
I don't care. First, you be that one. Okay.
Scoot back some.
Yay! Choo-choo! Yay! Oh, you honey bell? That's down.
Whoa! back up. They don't waste no time, do they?
No, they do not.
They're massive. Girl. You need to get your hands on that little calf.
Yeah, somebody needs to get their hands on that little calf and get him banded. They sure do. And we ain't doing that in all these stickers. I can tell you that right now. Well, guys, we've gotten them moved today. We got their protein right here, their licks. We'll get this out and get this set out over here on the ground. We gave them a bag of feed tonight. So nobody got hurt. And as you can tell, as always, here at Red River Living, the sun is setting again.
And we're not done. We gotta get a water trough.
Yeah, and we're not done. We're fixing to run to Tractor Supply. Hey, our favorite store, Tractor Supply, and pick us up a water trough and get that switched out because they've got water on the other side of the fence here. I just like to have them walking all the way around to get to their water. So we're gonna turn around here, get out the gate, and let's set this out there, just up there a little ways, Keely. If you don't
Okay.
that way, be out of our way. Watch your feet. All right, we're closer. Well, guys, as always, we appreciate y'all watching here at Red River Living. We appreciate it that you watch, you take the time to spend with us and just see our daily chores, the things that we're doing to take care of our animals and all that. We'd appreciate it if y'all would like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time.
Here, and then I worked my fingers like you said, and I did it and it worked.